I'm going to show you how you can use the timeline user session view to really detect the root cause of any performance issue detected in the Kotzilla platform. Okay, as an example, I'm going to use here the Now in Android application. I'm also using the Koin IDE Plugin. We see that the Kotzilla SDK has been configured. This is about just one line of code in Android apps. And what I'm going to do is run the application. I'm using here the bug build to generate some data for one particular user session and see what are the performance issues that has been detected. Okay, so I'm going to interact a little bit with the app, like watching reading some content. I'm going to generate some clicks to create some meaningful data here. And then I'm going to stop. Okay, let's have a look to the application issues view in the plugin. Let's do a refresh. We see here a list of performance issues detected in the different user sessions, including the last one. I want to click on this first issue. We're going to go to the Kotzilla console, in which we're going to have more info about the issue. In that case, was a resolution of a ViewModel that was blocking the main thread. And we also have info about what is the impact. And we can, of course, try to filter, to focus only on some specific devices or user sessions that we want to investigate. And then you can click on each one of those ones. And you go to the timeline user session view that I was talking about. So this is a view in which you have all the details of the complete user session. This one took a little bit less than 1 minute. But if you're coming from a particular issue detected, you go directly to the exact information that you need to investigate the root cause. For example, here we are really focused on that main activity view model blocking the main thread. You see that the resolution took more than 1 second. You can click here on the view to analyze the dependency tree or the dependency graph of that particular resolution. Really quickly, we see that all the resolutions here were done really fast. So probably the issue is somewhere related into the initialization of the view model itself. If you want to have some additional recommendations into how to fix a particular issue, you can click on the issue. You can go there to the documentation page, and you'll get redirected to one page per issue that has been detected. You'll see more information about the impact, also what are the thresholds that has been used to calculate the severity. Remember, in this one, it was a critical severity. And some of the recommended actions that we suggest to solve the issue. You will see that, I was talking here that maybe something is happening during the initialization. So let's have a look to the initialization of the main activity view model to see what's going on. So in this situation was really easy to solve. I added here intentionally a 1 second delay in the initialization. So this is why that issue was detected in the first place. Okay, so if we are back to the console and to the main dashboard for that application, I wanted to show you that you can also access to the timeline, from the user sessions list. So here, for example, we have the complete list of user sessions, including the last one that we created. If we come to the timeline view from here, then you get the all information for the user session. So you are not focused on one particular issue anymore. So you can scroll and go to all the details, but you can still focus on any particular action that is interesting for you. For example, I want to have a look at what happened here. So we see that the main activity was created, then one started, and then we already see this issue during the first screen with the resolution that is blocking the main thread. But you can really use this timeline view to really focus on any particular event or performance issue, we call it a moment, in the user session that is interesting for you to continue the analysis. So 2 ways to do it. One, directly from an issue. Second option, to go directly and analyze the whole user session. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please go to the Kotzilla.io website. Don't hesitate to look to our blog and also the official documentation for any latest news about the platform. See you soon.